Hi, I'm Jen Wilson, founder of Jen Wilson International. With years of experience leading global teams and coaching top-tier entrepreneurs, I'm here to help you cut through the noise, clear the fog, and bring your vision into life. Have you ever achieved a goal and still felt unfulfilled? Like you checked the box, but it didn't feel as meaningful as you thought it would be? Today, I want to share something that changed how I approach success: the power of intentions. Think of intentions as your compass. They guide not just what you want to do, but who you want to become. Goals tell us what we want to achieve, but intentions, they answer that deeper question. Why does it matter? Intentions define the person you want to be and the values that shape your decisions. And without them, goals can feel just like tasks, empty check marks on a to-do list. Think of intentions as the why behind your action. They ensure that you don't just achieve success, but align it with your values. When you connect your goals to your intentions, they become more than just a milestone. They become tools for meaningful growth. So imagine this. Your goal is to get a promotion. You work hard, you check all the boxes, and finally you get it. But instead of joy, you feel actually burnt out or even disconnected. That's because the goal without intention can kind of lack heart. They focus on what you want to accomplish, not on who you want to become. Now imagine starting with your intention. You decide that you want to grow into a more empathetic leader, someone who uplifts their team while striving for that promotion. Suddenly, the journey feels a little more purposeful. You're not just chasing a title, you're actually building yourself. So how do we ground our goals in purpose? Start with asking yourself these 3 questions. Who do you want to be this year? What values will guide my decision? And thirdly, how do I want to feel throughout this journey? So take the time, write these down. Reflect on them as often as possible. When you set your goals, let these intentions guide you. They'll act as your compass, ensuring that you're not just moving forward, but moving in the right direction. And here's the magic. When you align your goals with your intentions, you actually inspire others to do the same. It actually creates this ripple effect. Your intentionality shows up in how you lead, how you communicate, and how you actually make decisions. And it's not just about what you want to achieve, but actually who you want to become. And that impacts everyone around you. Goals are important, but intentions are what makes them meaningful. They turn tasks into purpose-driven action. So as you think about this year ahead, ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to become? Let your intentions guide your journey and watch how they transform not just your success, but actually your whole life. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe for more insights on living and leading with purpose.